there, a little bit under there. Just giving a bit of a sense of shadow. And then the last thing I'm going to do is pick up my small flat. We'll utilise these colours, this sepia, and I can see some reflections in here, so we're just going to pull this down. There's no particularly precise reflection, but there is something in here, so we're going to pull it down and create a reflection. It's just a little bit of a wiggle with the flat. Just make sure it's not too dark. I don't want it to be too dark. And then I can do it with around number 6 for that tree. That definitely reflects. Put a few little wiggles along here. We don't need too much. There's a little bit of a reflection there. Pull that down. And we'll brush a little bit of a rinse so it's nice and dry. And I can just break that up a little bit. Horizontal strokes, so it's not too precise. This one here I'm not liking, so I'm just bringing something through that. Okay, so I'll find a mount for that.